Hello everyone, welcome to the Ignition Time channel. I want to share my thoughts on the recent surge in Bitcoin. As you probably know, Bitcoin has now hit $98,000. In fact, it's quite likely by the time you're watching this video that one Bitcoin may be well above $100,000. Now, President Trump's crypto council has decided to set up a strategic reserve for Bitcoin. This can only mean one thing, that the price of Bitcoin will probably go even higher. Now, what does the strategic reserve actually mean? This means, and this is important, that the United States government is going to actually accumulate Bitcoin as an asset, just like the US government tries to accumulate gold or tries to accumulate oil. What this actually means is that the price of Bitcoin is likely to go higher. Now, should you invest in Bitcoin? The answer is, I'm not quite sure. I am not an investor in Bitcoin. I buy rental properties all over the country, and I'll be talking about that more and more on this channel because there are tax advantages to rental assets. That's what I've been doing. I do own some stocks. I'll be talking about stocks on our channel as well. So please click like, please click subscribe on our channel. But I can tell you one thing, as far as cryptocurrency is concerned, if the US government is going to stockpile Bitcoin as an asset, it is likely that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. In fact, the calculation for Trump and the US government, and by the way, you probably know this, the US government has over $30 trillion in debt. Now imagine if the US government stockpiles millions of Bitcoin, okay? And the price of Bitcoin goes from $100,000 to, let's say, $1 million. The US government can now sell Bitcoin to pay off its own debt. This is a very strategic maneuver for the Trump administration, for the US government to maybe pay off our own debt with Bitcoin. And it is something that Trump has talked about. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Should you rush and buy Bitcoin or buy a fraction of Bitcoin? The answer is, I'm not quite sure. I think it's entirely up to you. I invested in Ether, which is one of the assets, one of the crypto assets, and it went up and I sold it, and then I bought some rental properties with it. I'm not saying Bitcoin is good, I'm not saying Bitcoin is bad, but I am saying it's something we need to keep an eye on. And if you're asking me for financial advice, I can tell you I'm not a financial advisor, but I do believe in buying long-term assets, and I am tempted to buy Bitcoin with all the news that's coming out. Let me know what you think. I'll do some more research on this if you want me to, and do more videos about this. But this is a big decision that the Trump administration is now going to set up a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next episode of Ignition Time. Thank you. Bye.